Welcome to Make Well Miss Markwell, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a sewing segment. I haven't done a sewing segment since I did the Lazy Daisy stitch, and that was a long time ago. I've been focusing on mainly food dishes, but today I'm going to do a really beautiful stitch. It's called the French knot. I love this stitch so much, and it reminds me of rosebuds. You can be like the centre of a flower, the pollen, or it can be actual flower, or it could just be a dot, and it's just an embroidery stitch that is just so beautiful and it's just so simple, and I love it. My students think I'm crazy for just really loving this stitch, but it is beautiful. I hope you like it, and they're going to do the demo. So I have tied a knot on the end of the thread, so when I insert it into the fabric, the thread doesn't fall out. Insert the needle into the fabric, and I've just turned my embroidery hoop over to show you what the knot would look like from the underside. To stitch the French knot, I'm going to hold the thread in one hand, and I have my needle furthest away from me. I'm then going to wrap the thread around the needle at the bottom section of the needle. 1, 2, and then I'm going to insert the needle back into the fabric. What you don't want to do is insert the needle into the same hole, because if not the thread would just all fall out. So you need to insert the needle next to where the thread has come out, still holding on to the thread in your other hand, and then pull the needle, keep holding on to the thread, and then as you get a small loop, I've released the thread and keep pulling, and there you go, you can see a little rose petal or small French knot dot. I'm going to repeat the process. So needle furthest away from you, holding the thread, holding it quite close to the fabric, and then wrap it around 1, 2, and then don't insert the needle into the hole because the thread will fall out, and push the needle through, keep pulling, and then release. So I'm going to repeat the process again just to show you quickly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to wrap it around 3 times. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and insert the needle, keep hold of the thread, keep the tension, and release, and there you go. That's a beautiful one, I like that one. So this one I'm going to wrap it around 4 times. When you wrap it, the more you wrap it round, it can be quite tight pulling the needle through the fabric. That looks like a perfect rosebud. And there's the row of the French knots, showing a variation in how many times you wrap it round the needle. Thank you for watching Make Well Miss Markwell. I hope you enjoyed the French knots, and see you soon. Bye!